Hi everyone, my name is Faye Atwood. This will be an instructional video on implementing a functional analysis procedure. Today we will be covering the conditions of play, alone, attention, escape, and tangible. Understanding these conditions is crucial for accurately identifying the function of a client's behavior. So first, we will start with play. The play condition is also known as the control condition. This will serve as our baseline. During this phase, the environment is set up to be highly reinforcing and engaging for the client. Therefore, the client will have access to all items. There are no demands or interactions imposed on the client. We're simply observing their natural behavior in a relaxed setting. During the alone condition, the client is left alone in the room with no social interaction or attention from the therapist. There should be minimal stimuli or limited stimuli during the alone condition. And this condition will help us assess if the behavior occurs in the absence of attention from others. It's crucial to ensure the client's safety during this condition while minimizing potential distractions. So if there is an observation room in the clinic, this would be the place for this condition. Next, for attention. So in the attention condition, the therapist provides continuous attention and social interaction to the client. Therefore, in this condition, the client engages in a behavior to gain attention from others. It's important to provide attention only when the target behavior occurs. This may include praise, conversation, physical touch, but that will depend on the client's preferences. In the escape condition, the therapist presents a demand or a task to the client. Here, the individual engages in a behavior to escape or avoid a demand or situation they find adversive. It's important to present a demand or situation that will typically lead to a escaped maintained behavior. This demand is something that the client typically avoids or finds challenging. If the client engages in the problem behavior, the demand is removed, allowing the client to essentially escape from that task. In the tangible condition, the client is given access to desired items or activities upon engaging in a problem behavior. This condition helps us to determine if the behavior is maintained by access to specific items or activities. The item will be taken away and returned if the behavior occurs again. So in this condition, it is important to present the item or activity only when the target behavior occurs. So here, the individual is given access to the desired item as a consequence of the target behavior. It is essential to carefully observe and record a client's behavior in each condition. So in conclusion, implementing a functional analysis procedure involves systematically manipulating environmental conditions to identify the function of a target behavior. By carefully observing and recording behaviors across these conditions, we can develop effective behavioral intervention plans tailored to the client's needs. Thank you for watching and happy implementing.